Proactive inhibitory control during bilingual and bidialectal language production. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. The bilingual language control literature generally assumes that the cross-language interference resolution relies on inhibition of the non-target language. A similar approach has been taken in the bidialect language control literature. However, there is little evidence along these lines for proactive language control, which entails a controlled process that is implemented as an anticipation of any cross-language interference. To further investigate the possibility of proactive inhibitory control, the researchers examined the effect of the language variety preparation time by manipulating the cue-to-stimulus interval on parallel language activation by manipulating cognitive status. If proactive language control relies on inhibition, one would expect less parallel language activation with increased proactive inhibitory control. In summary, the current study investigated the possibility of proactive inhibitory control during both bilingual and bidialect language production through manipulations of the CSI and the cognitive status of words. Along the results of some, but not all, previous studies that investigated this issue show no evidence of proactive inhibitory control was found with neither bilinguals or bidialect.